Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your motherboard socket type on your Windows PC. And this is very easy to do. So I just have the software download called CPU-Z, and I'm able to look at my current CPU that I plugged in. And I can see the socket is AM41331 right here for the CPU. And then I can go to my main board. I can see my information about my main board, my motherboard right here, B450MDS3HCF. And I can literally just look this up. Now, if you're going to be putting in a new CPU or something like that, make sure you upgrade your BIOS drivers. Otherwise, when you plug in your new CPU, you might just get a black screen. And that's not going to be fun at all. Same thing with graphics card. If you're going to be getting a new graphics card, you might have to update your BIOS. Now, to get the software, it's very simple. You can just go to google.com, type in CPU ID right here. First link, cpuid.com. Go to Windows and then get CPU-Z. And then you can find your main board information and your CPU socket type right under here. And these two are compatible, no problem. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.